Good morning. Welcome to Daily Money Market. It's a one day, one trade analysis. Probably maybe we're gonna do a couple of analysis just to see how the market is actually looking. Today it's the last day of the week in terms of the trading market. There's no much in terms of high impact volatility that is happening, but we're just seeing London Open has just happened. For this week, just a little bit of a recap. We saw the PPI producer price index coming, and the numbers they were actually surpassing the estimation numbers, which was very, very fantastic, very beautiful. Coming on Thursday, we saw Wednesday, we saw CPI again. Numbers go all the way surpass the estimation numbers. So all the instruments like us30, Nasdaq, S&P 500, they go all the way to all-time high, which is really, really amazing when it comes to this instrument, the bullishing all the way up. That's what we saw. And again, all the way to Thursday, which was yesterday, we saw employment climate change coming on, and the numbers again doing really good. So at the moment, the biggest news is just waiting for the Feds to decide when they are going to start to cut the rates. Most of the economists, they're talking about the cutting of the rates will start after July to September. That's where they're going to start, in terms of cutting of the rates. But yeah, the cuts, they're on Mr. Jeremy Powell, the Federal Reserve President of the United States, to see where the market is going. But at the moment, we can see we're looking at UK 100. UK 100 already it has catch the volatility. I'm actually anticipating a little bit of a bullish movement in UK 100 to get to the level of at least 8453. Of course, it's retracing right now. It might retrace again just to retest because there's a lot of volatility. So of course, it might come back to retest somewhere and goes all the way up again. I think by the end of today, UK 100 might close all the way above. When you look at nas100, as we said, that it goes all the way to all-time high, 18,693. It hasn't been there, for actually it's a record when we look at it in a daily time frame. So it hasn't been at that position. Today, because of there's not much in terms of high events of fundamentals, I'm expecting it to just dip a little bit to 18,493 and closing it at that level. When it comes to us30, again, same scenario, all-time high. I actually still anticipating that one day it will reach 40,000. That's what I'm actually anticipating that it will reach. No, in fact, it has reached 40,000 flat. That's what I've been predicting for a very, very long time, that it might get to 40,000, which is the all-time high of us30. It's never been there since us30. So what I'm thinking about today, a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a depression, but not that much, because there's not much in terms of volatility or that will push the price all the way down. So a little bit of dip, moving a little bit by bit to 39,600, and then so that Monday it will start now correcting and goes all the way back to higher position. Right now the market is playing on a bullish movement, so yeah, we're going to see where exactly the market will go. So this was just a quick analysis just to make sure that we saw what is going on in the market. When you look at German 30, again sitting at now 18,674, where exactly we think not much volatility, but maybe it might drop a little bit to 18,632, just to retest this level. Once it breaks, then maybe we are looking at this zone to play around for this zone. So that's a German 30, but I'm thinking it might catch this position and then start retesting, going all the way up again. When you look at the UK 100 right now, it's dropping, but there was much volatility that I'm thinking that it goes all the way up. So yeah, let's see how the trade is gonna end up with the UK 100. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. Share with other guys. That was just a quick analysis to see how the market is looking and where the market is going at particular time. Thank you.